Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video I have an Solana update. So the previous predictions were correct, and if you followed that, now you are in a big gain. Okay, so let's see what are the two predictions, and let's go step by step, and I'll show the previous video if I were correct or not. Okay, so this was my first prediction for you. Okay, this was my first prediction. So in this prediction, I have told you that. Okay, I told you in this place, in this area, I told you if the market breaks this 0.38 to fib level, this level, so market could go for this 126 level. Okay, so what happened? Market rallied. Okay, it has mitigated exactly as I told, and it has rallied from where I told you. So if you take the gain, it's almost 61 percentage without leverage. So in the last video I have told you to hold that. So holding that, you're in a massive gain here. Okay, so this is the first prediction that I gave you. So let's go to the first prediction and the beginning of the prediction. Okay, so this was the market when start to pump. So let's see whether I was correct or not. Okay, so let's go to the previous video. So if this level is broken, then next level will be this 126 level. Okay, this 126 level will be the next target. So you can expect a long from here or else from this field level. This will be a golden zone here. So guys, you saw the video. So I told you there's no anything to hide. So I told you what could happen. I told you the possibilities. So now let's go to the second prediction that I gave you. Okay, so this was my second prediction. Okay, so there was a triangle here. So when the market price was at this level, okay, and it was rejecting from this level, I told you to buy this coin. Okay, so if we have a break, I told you to buy in this area. Okay, when it was before the break, I told you to buy. So after the break, you can buy in the second, retest. Okay, this retest. So if you have taken this as well, okay, let's say you have bought this at here 165, now you will gain of almost 23 percentage without leverage. It's almost few. So guys, if you total it up, it's about 80 percentage without leverage gain. Okay, so let's go to the last video. Okay, last prediction, if I were correct or not. Okay, so let's go to the video. Consider it as a key zone. So that's the reason. And if you see the current market, it's making a ascending triangle here. So if the price break this, then we can see a good rally. Okay, so this is a good place for us to buy the coin. Still it's early. Okay, so look for breakout. Okay, still you can confirm buy after. So you can buy here, and as well if the line is broken, we can see a retest. You can buy in the retest as well, and you can boom. So guys, you saw the video. So same thing happened. The prediction moved in our direction. So let's go to the live chart. Okay, let's go to a new fresh chart and see what are the new things that I spot in the market. Okay, so guys, this is the fresh chart. Okay, I have taken some key levels here. So these are freshly drawn. So I'll explain you why I had taken this key levels. So if you go with the green one, okay, let's start off with green one. This is a weekly trend line. Okay, as you can see that we have this price starting, the price action starting here, and the price is mitigating the same price level. You see we have some price noises, and currently market is at that level. Okay, so if you go to the candle chart, you can see that some wicks has been reached to these levels. Okay, so that's the reason. So if you go for the black line, okay, so the same goes for the black line. So whenever the price reached this area, we had either we had a breakout or we had a rejection. Okay, so you see we have the starting point, we had a breakout, but it's a fake out here. So we had a downside movement, and then what happened? We have a retest and we fall. So the same goes here. We had a breakout and retest and we pumped. Here we had a breakout, retest and down. We had a retest, not enough sellers, we retest and we broke up. Okay, So these two key levels are the recent strong key levels that I consider, okay, in my point of view. So that's what I see. So this red line is just for preference, I just drew it. Okay, let's forget about that. And if you take the targets, okay, if you take the targets, yeah, so these three levels will be the target. So if the all-time high is taken, these three targets will be a good one, okay. Let's remove this and mark out in red color here, okay. So these three are the future key levels that I consider, okay. So since the high is taken here, size taken here, okay, so we can, if the market, okay, if the price break this, we can expect a price movement to the high, okay. So if you take a closer look, if you combine both BTC, okay, BTC and Ethereum, so both performed well, okay, it has performed well in the Q3. So if you take a closer look here, when other market were falling, okay, if you take a close look, you see when the market were falling, this BTC, okay, markets are falling, you can see this, okay, small drop. So Ethereum, it's stable, okay, it's going higher. So what I guess right now is the money is flowing into Ethereum, okay, so large cap coins, okay. So if it flows, then after this we can see a all season, okay, all the alts will pump. So let's go to the daily chart, it will be clear for you. If you go for the daily chart, you see we had this drop, okay, we had this drop, we had Ethereum, okay, we had this Ethereum drop, you see that, yeah, this will be good. So we have both Ethereum BTC on the top side. So the first one is Ethereum. So Ethereum had a drop, BTC also had a drop, but what happened in the Solana, okay, see the duration, it has pumped, okay, it has pumped. So what I guess is the same thing, okay. So what I guess is the same thing, the market could so what I guess is the market, the money flow is shifted to this Solana, okay. So if this Solana pumped well, so the coins under this ecosystem, okay, also will get pumped, okay. I mean strong projects, not all the coins, I mean a strong community, okay. Let's remove that. And yeah, if you can confirm that, okay. So if the price is holding above this green, okay, and this black line, okay, I don't guess the market could fall here, because see the here we had a good buying pressure and a selling pressure, a nice buying pressure. See, we had a less selling pressure compared to this one, okay. Compared to this selling pressure, we had a less selling pressure here, and we had a nice buying pressure. So this, the recent selling pressure is a bit low compared to this. So I guess the sellers are, there's no sellers, okay, there are more, I guess, people accumulating this coin. So I guess this could outperform. So BTC Ethereum has performed well, okay, in the Q3. So this will be, I guess this could pump in coming months or weeks. Let's see what will happen. So this is still early, okay, this is the third, I am giving a third prediction, okay. So this is still early, market could rally, okay, if it holds, it could rally, you can hold until the bull market end, okay. So with the red cut and things, could rally, okay. So that's all for the video. I'll end up the video here. So if I spot anything new, I'll bring you another video. So until then, stay tuned with our community, guys. Goodbye.